Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Financiable. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to change your username on Etoro. To get started, let's open Etoro app. It will show you this interface. Make sure you have already installed Etoro app on your device. So here in this interface, you can see many options. Tap on 3 bar that is located in top left corner. It will navigate you to this interface. Here tap on settings. But unfortunately, you are not able to change your username on Etoro. No option to change username. Etoro doesn't offer the functionality to change your username. So in order to change your username, you need to create new account. So that wraps for today. If you guys like this video, do not forget to like, comment and subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching and I'll see you guys on the next video.